Welcome to the Dip Show.
We're making cornbread today.
Because they didn't have enough cornbread, so they had to make cornbread.
Who is they?
Oh, not they. The people.
What people?
The American people.
The Americans?
Yeah.
Were they a slave?
There was a baby.
They were slaves. So the slaves received. Hold on, Akila. Isaiah.
Yeah.
So the slaves received the scrapes of cornmeal from their masters. Great. So are you guys ready to make some cornbread for us?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We have milk, cornmeal, egg in a pot.
Okay. Let's get started.
Apple. No,
We're going to share, correct?
Akila, could you save some for me?
Please save some for him.
Thanks.
but be a lot.
Let's put that over there. Akila, I'm gonna save some for you.
It's a take that to me too.
Okay.
No.
Akila, I'm just trying to help you. You did it. Now I do the egg.
No,
No, yeah.
Both. At the same time.
You can't always do the egg, Akila.
No, mix it.
We forgot one ingredient. It was the butter. And we are cooking the cornmeal, the egg, and the milk. Oh, I hear it's sizzling.
You do.
I can do that too.
We're putting the batter in 11 slots. We're gonna watch it cook. Our mom helped us finish. About to lift it. Hold on. It's done.
It's done.
Yes.
Hey, brother.
Thanks. We're out in the dough on.
Hey, eat down.
Let's see, I put mine in. No dough!
So that
No
must mean
dough.
that it's ready.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and spread the dip.